Yeah, hi. Sorry about that, Christina.
Hiya.
I was there. I've been here for since you spoke, and you did so well earlier. I
Do you
just
want to
technology just
pick
hit me
up
in the
from me
background.
then? I'll stop being you, and you
Oh,
can be.
you were doing me so well. You should carry on.
Go ahead, Rob.
Oh, no, brilliant. Yeah, hi. Sorry about that, Christina.
Hiya.
I was there. I've been here for since you spoke, and you did so well earlier. I
Do you
just
want
technology
to
just
pick
hit me
up
in the
from me
background.
then? I'll stop being you, and you
Oh,
can be.
you were doing me so well. You should carry on.
Go ahead, Rob.
Oh, no, brilliant. You've covered some of the main points I wanted to make. Indeed, this is about strategy and business model put together. But I want to make a point first about relevance. I mean, some think that legal technology is really only about the larger firms. But what we are seeing increasingly is that it's not. I should actually stop and step back and just say who I am first and why I'm. Let me start from the beginning, which is okay. So, and I'm delighted to be here. I'm Robert Millard. I'm a director of Cambridge Strategy Group here in England. I've been involved in this field for well, nearly 20 years now, and most of my clients are larger firms. But through the IBA, I've been doing quite a lot of work with smaller firms in some far-flung jurisdictions in Latin America and in Africa, a lot in Africa and other parts of the world too. And there's a real hunger, I think, for real information about technology. And that's why I think LTIC is such a great program. So much of the knowledge in the market that law firms and lawyers come across is vendor-driven. And vendors do a great job of pitching their products. And I'm not saying that any of them say things that aren't true, but the real issue is internally driven and by what clients need. And so our session, our module that Christina and I are going to be putting together is very much about strategy, which is about which clients do we choose to serve, which markets do we want to operate in, and which services do we sell. So very client-driven, driving the internal arrangements of the firm, including technology. And then business model is really the flip side of that coin. It's what's the value proposition that we're offering clients? Why should they buy from us? How do we add value to our clients? How do we improve the experience that clients have in engaging with us? And how do we become more efficient? And there are other questions, but all of them have a technology facet to them. And then the second part, the three legs to the stool of business model, the second leg is what resources do we deploy? So those are tools, and those are skills, and those are relationships, and that's financial resources, money. But it's also the systems and the processes and the structures that we put together in our firms to make us operate more efficiently. And that has a huge technology aspect as well. And then the third is, how do we optimize our profit? And part of that is becoming more efficient. Part of that is becoming more valuable. Part of that is becoming more disciplined as a firm. And all those together, all of that all those facets have got technology aspects to them. So last year through the IBA, I did a survey of across the world of what firms were doing in terms of legal tech. And we got nearly 700 responses from 100 countries. And what was very clear from those responses was that this is a worldwide concern. Also that it's more about opportunity than about threat. This is not about technology taking over from lawyers. And this is about lawyers being able to do fundamentally better work for their clients in this far more volatile, uncertain, complex, ambiguous, some people use the acronym VUCA world that our clients are living in. And we have to